Is that true? Hello guys, is that true? Let's check. I need 1-2 minutes for that. If I got confirmation, then I will start without any interruption. Okay, there until now also I'm not getting any notification from my YouTube channel. Yeah, I got, and I think my voice is clear in this video. Is it? There until now also I'm not getting any notification from my YouTube channel. Yeah, I got. Yes, and I think now we can go without an interruption. Let's go. Yeah, in this live, what we can discuss is that we can learn the recursion and backtracking here. Recursion, it's a very hot topic. So what we can do here is we can follow this path to master recursion. See the title, master recursion and backtracking. Okay, cool, it seems good. Let's part is recursion. Recursion is a bigger problem solved by solving into this is base induction step to solve any recursion problem. Let's start the factorial. There is no question for factorial here. Okay, then Fibonacci. We go through this pattern, so let's search factorial problem. Factorial recursion problem. If we not able to solve any questions, we will do try run there. Take you forward. Iterative question program is. Let's search with factorial lead code. Although it's helped to us factorial trailing zeros. Okay, Geeks for Geeks is very famous now, so let's try that. What is factorial number? Factorial is multiplication of the previous numbers up to 1. This is C++. We solve that question in basic. We will solve the question in Java. Yeah, they solved for us, but it's not good way. Where we can solve this question for prime. The question. So lead code factorial cool trailing zeros, is that the question? Total zeros function hard abbreviation OY method. No problem, we can understand this code. We proceed further. Yeah, solve the factorial. What we can do, we can multiply the number with the previous number. If we need to find the factorial of 5, we can multiply the 5 into the previous factorial. That's give the overall factorial of that number. So here the code is that this is the main not this. I can click on Python, Java. Yeah, here let me observe that this is a recursive call, and what is this? There is is equal to 1. They use for loop to solve this question. Yeah, where we can solve we will for loop for that n return fact. Yeah, we need to solve that using recursion now. No issues. Let's solve another question. Just if there is no chance to do that, then write the code here only. What we can do first, there is a number n. Let's say it is equal to 6. Then we can make the function called public static void fact. It will return fact of n. Let's only discuss the F algorithm. It will return int. Yeah, and here we need to find the 3 b h I. So it is base case. What is the base case here? Base case is nothing but the known output for the input, smallest input. What is that? Factorial of 0 is 1. Factorial of 1 also 1. So what we can do, if n equal to 0 or 1, simply return 1. It is very hard to write in this. I need a pen to write, but return 1. Else multiply the number with the fact. No fact. We need to multiply this with the previous factorial. Then we will get the factorial of that number. Let's call the same function for n minus 1. And we are returning int, so every function need to be written. So it will to be written. This is the step. Here we can consider that this is the base case and hypothesis and induction step. Induction step is nothing but calling again. Hypothesis is this step where we are doing the calculations in between the function. Then go to the list. Cool. Then what's the question next in the list is Fibonacci. Let's search for that. Fibonacci series recursion. In this way we go to harder problems also in this pattern. It takes time. So these questions in platform, we will solve those questions. What happened? Network issue maybe. Fibonacci series recursion. It is not loading, so no problem. We have no issues. Let's go for this problem and solve that. Literally I did not practice those questions. I'm also trying those questions first time. Let's see what happens. Loading. Stream also loading. Is my internet that bad? What happened to my internet? No problem. So login, let's log in because it's asked for so many times. Then we feel bad about the Harry Potter. Yeah, I did not practice any question here until now. This is the first time. No issues with that. Cool. Notifications. No need. Array, why? Tech interviews. Yeah. Not interested in this. What is your question and what is you are asking here? It's all this question and you are asking so many questions to me. In reverse, no problem, bro. Yeah, we're given an first term a and common ratio r and the integer n. The task is to find the nth term of GP series. Cool. General form of GP geometric progression series is a into okay r square r cube and so on, where as the answer can be large enough. Return the answer modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. I did not understand the question. Literally input. The first line of input contains an integer t denoting the test case, number of queries or test cases. Of every test case contains 3 single space in A and R. Okay is the first term and n is the, we need to find the term, and R is the common ratio. That's it. An integer n. For each test case, print an integer denoting the nth term of GP series. Okay. To print anything, it's already been taken care of. Just implement the function. Cool. That time limit 1 second. One test case. Let's copy this test case and do the some analysis around this. Oh, okay, then it is 5, 3 and 2. Okay, what we need to do here, let's check what are what. 5 is the n, a is the 3, so let's do here what we can do. So yeah, here only we can do that these things now. Oh, where is the pen? Yeah, this is the pen button to change the color. Yellow. Okay, so 5, 3, 2 n equal to 5. Okay, fifth number we need to find, and a equal to 3 and r equal to 2, r equal to 2. So what is the first number here? CP series will first 3 and 3 into 2 6. Okay, like that. It is multiplied by this number r. Okay, in this way they are going. Okay, so what we can do, every time we are multiplying with 2 with the previous output with the number previous might be n, then we can do, and the first number be a. A is the first number, so we can take it as n equal to 0 means, yeah, I think we can do those things. No, back. And I need to remove all those things. Yeah, okay. Here's, let's solve the question. Think we are decrementing n value to 0. If n, we need to save the integer, directly return the integer. Okay, n equal to 0 means we need to find the 0th element, but we can not find the 0th element, so the first element will be 48. Okay, first element will be the a. N equal to 1, return a, first element will be a, and then they give an r. No, we need to, we are going from last to end, so we need to find, we need to multiply with the previous output, to multiply a with the previous output. Okay, nth term of GP, previous output, what is that? N minus 1, and int a is same and r also same, and we are returning these thing also here. In this way a will be multiplied with the previous output. This will give the previous output to us, and this loops repeats until n equal to 1. It will return a, and it will return a into previous output. Seems might work. If it is not, did not work, then do the try run. We will do the try run. Cool. Till now I am only the watching. No issues with that. Very happy for that. Wrong test cases. Wrong answer. Okay. The first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. Yeah, first element will be definitely a, and we are multiplying with r. Yeah, not a, multiplying with r. Here we are multiplying with r, not a. Seems good, but this was got failed. Minus. Okay, what we can do here? Minus seems its mean integer underflow. I think numbers are not enough to store. We will return long instead. They only given us the integer values. Huh. Mm, written long here might be work compilation error loosely coupled. Okay, then long long here, and we are taking those things in integer. It might be integer answer without those questions. No, we are not going to do that. What we can do here? Why I'm getting this? It is 15 minutes already done, man. Density, okay. Three into two, three into two until it will do until n equal to one. It will return then for the 5, 4 it will pass, and for the 4 it will pass 3, 2, 1. Logic seems right to me. Then 8. These are the test cases. It might. The difference is because of long, I think. This much of holding capacity there is not there in int. Think no hint needed, but see the submissions. What's wrong with the code? No, how? No, my solutions. No, okay. I don't need solution also. No, 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 no. How to cancel this, man? Yeah. And children interview for 80 views. Hmm. Constant long int m equal to this much. Okay. Okay, they mentioned that. Cool, yaar. Okay. R percentile not needed, I think. Output, that is also not needed. Okay, we need to take care of these things also here. 10 to the power of 9 plus 1 means 10 to the power of 9 means 9 zeros. 8 zeros here we need to take. Long num equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 7. That's it. And return A. Return answer with them. That's the thing here. Think we got any error here? Yeah. Cannot find symbol. Percentile M. Yeah. I saw the before code, so I practiced that thing only here. Oh, loosely conversion then might work. Think how much time it will take. Fully charged. And is anything we are missing here? Note. Notes are very important, no? Compatible type. Hmm. Type conversions are very important here. Okay. Possibly logic conversion. Yeah. We must need to return long here. Hmm. There is a problem with the question. Hmm. Okay, Einstein long and oh, we can return this. Ah, these things we done. We need to take the variable simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, and that's it. Why A? Why we need to do for A? Because A that much. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Unsigned long and arms are equal to return arms 2 by 3. They are telling so many, but there are only 3 test cases available. Hmm, unsigned. I think spelling was signed. Not a statement. Where I missed the semicolon, man. It seems bad, but we done for one test case. Our logic is right. There is a problem with the question. This was the logic for simple in the term of GP question, because we found the base condition, hypothesis, and these things, so we can try with our own things also. No need to worry of these things. If I submit, and test case will pass. Score okay, one test case will pass. I know you doing those things might pass 3 or 4 also, but I am not interested to waste more time on this question. Until now, tower of an eye. Yeah, let's go to this question. No one is in the chat. That's not an issue. It's cool. It might streak, I think. Easy. Okay, you are given three rods numbered 1 to 1 to 3, and disc initially placed on the first rod. Okay, on one top of each. Are there in increasing order of size? Okay, increasing order of size. There are placed discs. Okay, it's on the bottom. You are supposed to move the n disc to another rod, either 2 or 3, using following rules, and in less than 2 power n moves. 2 power n means indirectly they are suggesting to use recursion, because only in recursion we got that exponential time complexity. Can only move one disk into one move. You cannot place a larger disk on the smaller disk. Can only move the disk at top of any rod. Okay, this is the question, this is the answer. What we need to print here? Tell me those questions here. The first line of contents. Okay, first line of each test case, and we given n. For each test case, return a 2D array list where each row of the array should contain exactly two integers. The first integer should be number of rods from where the topmost disk is removed, and the second integer should be denoting the number of rod where the removed disk to be placed. If you have correctly moved all the disk from the rod 1 to either rod 2 or 3, output will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. And anything all taken care of. Can move 2 1 2. Test cases. So this was the test case 2, and for the first condition, can move only one disk to either 2 or 3. What are those things here? Each test case contains a single integer and denoting the number of disks. Okay, we have one disk, only one disk, then we can directly place into third one. To either rod 2 or 3, the matrix will be returned should be either 1 comma 2 or 1 comma 3. Anyone we can. Okay, contest case 2 is there, so the second test case, topmost disk rod 1 to rod 2, and the remaining disk from rod 1 to rod 3, and rod 2 to rod 3. Yeah, here 3. Then what we can do? 3 3. If 3 are there, then like can do like this. 1 2 and 3. Oh, red color. Okay, 1 2 3. Then for 1 we will directly move into this. For 2 can move one here, one here. For 3 can move into here, small one, and second one will be here second, and it will move into here like here, and this will move into here, and it will move into here Wow, and this and this. In this way we got all the things. So here it is, I think it is source, helper, destination. First of all, if it is, we'll do it for one, then we can replace those. If it is one, directly source to destination. Otherwise, source to help and helper to destination. Source to helper and then source to destination and then helper to destination. What we can do, I am also confused with the code, but I understood the logic here. We need to return an array list. So array list of integer of array equal to new array list, and we can pass the same tower of annoy and array comma in n. We will return an array list. Let's copy this, the same thing here. It's just an overload method. List comma here array list of array list array comma intent. Yeah, and we are doing the operation here. Let's take an array to add of integer ar equal to new array list. When we can add, every time more it should be add, and disks are there. So what we can do, if equal to 1, simply array that add okay, n, along with n we can take, so 1 comma 2 comma 3 routes, and that like int s, int help, and destination. Okay, we add source comma destination. If it is one, we add source comma destination. Otherwise, what we can add, Or we don't need to take the helper. Helper is needed, I think. Not needed, needed. And return this array here. It also seems good. Okay, what we can do, equal to 0, then return, simply return. Otherwise AR that add source comma destination. Yeah, source comma destination and array that add AR. Might work, I think. Because we are creating an array and add to this array, and then tool, what you are doing, we are calling it for the n minus 1. So tower of Hanoi, array, same array, n minus 1 disks, start is source will be same, destination h. Why I am doing like this, I too don't know. I am watching at the chart, but this one, We are returning here. But what happening here? Source to destination through helper. Hmm. A pause like here, like this thing. There is nothing wrong in this. Okay. No need to. This was the very annoying thing. And this. Where is this array list? ओके यार, इतना गलती कर यार भाई, डिजर यार से कौन करता भाई? डैम थिंग। Now hmm, what's wrong in this code यार? I know that total code is wrong. More often I cannot find symbol for n123. This array is go to this array and go to int. What's wrong with this? Hmm. I will reload this. Same thing again, no problem. Hmm. Equal to 0, ये रिटर्न -1 के लिए कॉल कर लिया. Yes. Making this call before here. And again another call for a same array n-1, and their source is converted to destination. Helper will be in middle with the source. So the code I missed it. Okay. What's wrong, yeah? Okay, let's make the name only tower. Oh yeah, actually the problem with the method overloading. Oh, ये method overloading का problem है भाई. Method overloading का problem है भाई. इसे भी करता है क्या? One day skip. Hmm. Oh, is there any more approaches? Let me see those things also. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Loading is not a good thing. Solve this. We solve the logic for this question and we solve this question using discussion forums. method. Okay, okay भाई, ट्राई करते भाई. ये भी ठीक है भाई. method. Yeah, saying easy problem. 15 minutes. Okay. Sequence of numbers. Yeah, सारे भाई. String. Yeah. First of all, my approach is the two. Here the main complexity comes when if we know how to sort these two sorted arrays, it will be helpful to us. These are the one array and one array. We need to sort this into some like this, 1 2 3 like that. अगर एक का लॉजिक पता है तो सिंपल होता. Okay. For that we know we need to do the this is as we take the pointer is here s1 and s2 and let's take array of n plus m length like 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here we like initialize with k, new array Okay, when we compare S1 and S2, S1 less than S2, and what we need to do, simply put S1 here, S1 here, and S1 less plus, and K plus plus. We need to insert in the next position, so we can do these things. If S2, else is the best condition, I think. When equal or like this, else means S2 is greater than or equal to S1, then can insert S2, means array of K, array of K plus plus, like we insert here. When we compare these two, we will insert these and increase S2 plus plus and K plus plus. That was the theory here. And whenever it will become empty, is there more number of elements be left, then we will simply add these. Same like for this array also, we can merge two sorted arrays in that manner. That's the important thing. And in merge sort, we have merge sort. Merge sort for starting to middle and mid plus 1 to and merge sort, and then simply merge. What we need to merge the array. We not passing two arrays, instead of that we are passing starting, middle and end. In this way we can do this. Okay, so let's code it. Let's code it. Okay, yeah, then sort int array and n, what's n is the size of array. What we can do, simply we can ms and mms generally merge sort. What we can do, public static void ms means merge sort. We need an array we need, and int starting index we need, and ending index we need. That's it here. And if starting index is, if there is a one element, then no need to break. So if less than e, then only break. Then take int mid equal to we have that integer overflow, so we can do start plus end minus start by 2 to get the middle element. And what we can do, we can simply call merge, no, ms again. We have to divide until 1, so we can merge less than or equal to, I think, because it is 1. Yeah, we can match into array and starting index to mid, ms to array and mid plus 1 wind, and then match what? Array starting, middle, end. This was the thing. Here can make public static void merge will return nothing. Int array, int start, int mid, int end, and what it do, simply will take an array. We can make the array using size. We need to mention the size here. So what is the size of arrays? First element to middle element. So int a1, array1 equal to new int of, let's take int len1 equal to middle minus start plus 1 because index, len2 equal to end minus middle. That's it, I think, end minus middle, yeah. And int array1 equal to new int length 1 int array2 equal to new array. Then simply using for loop we can take equal to 0 less than len1 a plus plus what we can do, array1 of I equal to array1 of I equal to, that's the length, and I will start from starting from equal to middle, array of I think this was the thing, my wrong, I think it's right, and I equal to middle plus 1 less than equal to end plus plus a of 2 equal to array of 2 of I equal to array of I. Then what we can do, simply using yeah, int s1 equal to pointer of array1 and s2 equal to pointer of array2. If not while s1 is equal to length 1 or s2 equal to length 2, what you can do is, in this case both by any one length is equal, then simply up to that less than when the less than, then only do this. What you can do is s1, let's take k equal to start, because we are manipulating the same array into s1 array 1 of s1 is less than array 2 of s2. Then what you can do, array of k plus put array of k equal to yeah 1 of s1. Instead of these, we increment both of these things here only, no problem. Else simply array of k plus equal to array 2 of s2 plus, and this was the thing, and control Z. And if it is false, then might, if s1 while s1 less than length 1, what you can do, array of a plus equal to array 1 of s1 plus while s2 dot length, then array of k plus equal to array 2 of s2 these are also added simply. Then that's it. The merge function do will can pass ms, we can do will also returning nothing, so we can need to print ms array, starting will be 0, ending will be n minus 1, right? Per int I equal to 0, I less than n as plus system dot out dot println I print array of I space हो गया. Code तो हो गया, but how many problems you need to debug those things, error, so many errors are there. I nobody equal to start, where is start, only yes is there. First of all, where we are returning. Hmm. Array index out of bounds. Yeah, where probably. If there is three elements, I think mm, three elements, then size of the first one is 2, middle minus 2 minus 1 minus 0 plus 1 2, yeah, and 2 minus 1 1 second. Okay, we start from middle arm, including middle, yes, including end, yes. mm. Array of copying. Arrays dot toString to print array 1. Same with this thing. Array 2. Let's try these things also once. Rendellen. Oh, Stack Overflow. Int x equal to 0. I did so many times this mistake. Yeah. Printing two times. Might be. Yeah, we done it finally without seeing anything. We finally done it, but maybe some test case or goes wrong. Might be there is a chance. Means in this question we are not going to print here. Compilation, interpreting, do whatever you want. If it is wrong, I will try again until I write the code correct. I will do this because this is one of the important question. With this I will stop the stream for a good experience. I streamed today, but not intention to get any viewers chart like that. Cool. It's, I think it's the time limit. Oh wait, executed. Wow, wait. Nice, bro. Finally executed. Done. Let's check what's the problem of the day. It is interesting. Let's solve. Else we can stop the stream here only, and we will meet one day. Solve difficulty level easy. MCQ problem. Oh, we are very in these things. Hmm. Array of let click to be ck will be defined as an array obtained after cyclically shifting k elements towards the right. The power of an array is defined as follows: 0 plus, okay, ck of 0 into 0, 1 into 1. Can find the maximum value among power of 0, power of n. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are not going on the time. Okay. 0 3 0 3 2 1 0 3 2 1 means 4 minus 4 4 minus 0 3 के दो 4 minus 4 4 minus 1 4 minus 2 4 minus 3 first one will be 0 absolutely. One, two, three, but three, one. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. 2, 1. Yeah, 4 minus written. 4 minus 0, 4. But modulo 4. 4 modulo 4 is 0. 4 means Mr. Rush. 4 minus index modulo 4 under size minus index modulo size. ఫస్ట్ అయితే ఇక్కడ నుంచి అన్నిటి ఫైండ్ చేయమది అన్నిటి ఫైండ్ చేసి ఐ స్టోర్ చేసుకో నమ్ స్టోర్ చేసుకో ఇండెక్స్ మైనస్ 4 అయితే ఇవ్వదు ఉండాలి Yeah, we will do this, guys. I'm dry running this for In power 4 means n square is okay. I got the approach to solve this question. I got the approach, not the answer. We have an array, so we will iterate through the array. Less than array dot length I plus plus, and what we can do, some for every time we will take int max equal to 0 and sum equal to 0. And int x equal to 0 because we are need to multiply this, and int j equal to I, and j less than n, j less than array dot length, j equal to j plus plus into j plus 1 modulo n modulo array dot length will give me or filters to the array where it is located. For first time some place equal to array of j into x plus plus, and if sum is greater than max equal to sum, that's it. I think system dot okay, return max. Think it will work. Let's try what happens. Not work because so many errors. I think what might happen, I am ready to face that. Time limit exceeded. What's wrong in this? Let's do right run here. First 4 will come. X equal to 0. 4 will here. Then array dot length. Okay, it will go for check for everything. For every time j equal to this one, next time j equal to this one, next time this one. Now 4 and it's less than 6. J less than length is not correct condition. Huh. When j equal to again I, And ఇక్కడ జీరో కండిషన్ రైట్ రావాలి తర్వాత ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ అది కానీ ये देखो भाई ये कैसा लाज गया भाई मेरा कैसा लॉजिक लगा था भाई ये फर्स्ट टाइम मैं फॉर लूप यही से लिखा वाओ फॉर लूप नाइस and we need to submit as soon as 15 minutes they are said 30 actually accepted wow one test case why failed and exited can we optimize it further using stacks we can do that however we can do that using stacks or using arithmetic operations like every time we are changing those things only no we take the input as average time to solve 20 oh nice we done fast 4326 for this one we got this one we got 3 plus 2 plus 2 3 plus 4 plus 18 22 95 yeah 25 this got for 3 we got 16 how we got 16 this is already 12 it will be 12 but no not useful mm. I think probably there's an algorithm to solve this question. There is a logic, a technique to solve these type of questions, I think, because some of repetitive calculations are happening like 0 to 0 into 4, 1 into 4, 2 into 4, 3 into 4. In this, something is common. 1 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 3, same. That is happening here. So with this we can stop the stream now.